Let's in the meantime shift focus and get you this breaking update. What we are now learning that 2 FIRs have been registered in Punjab against Rajya Sabha BJP MP Sandeep Pathak, and the FIRs are against Pathak that have been filed in 2 different districts of Punjab. Both of the FIRs have been registered under non-bailable sections, and this move comes days after Sandeep Pathak joined the BJP. So this is a big development that has now happened as far as when it comes to the defector from the Aam Aadmi Party here is concerned. मनोज हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं. मनोज, जरा जानकारी दीजिए किस बेसिस पर क्या चार्जेस लगाए गए हैं जो ये 2 FIRs बताया जा रहा है पंजाब में संदीप पाठक के खिलाफ फाइल की गई हैं.
बिल्कुल, देखिए ये पंजाब पुलिस के सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर है. ऑफिशियली अभी तक पंजाब पुलिस ने इस पर कुछ नहीं कहा है, लेकिन जानकारी हमारे विश्वसनीय सूत्रों ने दी है कि 2 FIR दर्ज हुई है संदीप पाठक के खिलाफ, जो कि राज्यसभा सांसद हैं और हाल ही में आम आदमी पार्टी जो 7 सांसदों ने छोड़ी थी उसमें ये भी शामिल थे. इनके खिलाफ 2 FIR दर्ज हुई हैं और बताया जा रहा है कि मामला पुराना है, 2022 के आसपास का ये मामला है और किसी महिला की शिकायत पर ये FIR दर्ज की गई. हालांकि क्या पूरा मामला है, कौन ये जो शिकायत करता है, इसकी जानकारी सामने नहीं आई है, लेकिन जानकारी ये भी आ रही है कि गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है संदीप पाठक की और पंजाब पुलिस की जो टीम है वो दिल्ली पहुंच चुकी है और इसकी भनक अब संदीप पाठक को भी लग गई है. अभी ये भी जानकारी आई थी कि संदीप पाठक अपने दिल्ली का जो आवास है वहां से पिछले दरवाजे से निकले हैं. उनको भी अंदेशा था कि उनकी गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है. तो मामला काफी पेचीदा होता जा रहा है. इंतजार किया जा रहा है फिलहाल पंजाब पुलिस का कि वो इस पर आधिकारिक तौर पर कोई जानकारी दे. जी,
तो अभी फिलहाल ज्यादा जानकारी नहीं इकट्ठा हो पाई है कि किस केस के तहत बताया जा रहा है कि पुलिस है शायद वो निकल सकती है एज फार एज 2 ऑफ दीज डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स व्हाट वी आर टोल्ड इन पंजाब. लेकिन मनोज, ये जानकारी मिल रही है कि नॉन बेलेबल जिस तरह से जो चार्जेस है. प्रियंक इज ऑल्सो विद अस राइट नाउ. प्रियंक, हेल्प अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दिस केस व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग एट 2 FIRs having been registered against Sandeep Pathak.
Amita, these are the old FIRs and we are exactly yet to know the sections under which the FIR has been filed. But the drama unfolded here in the national capital where Sandeep Pathak was seen leaving from his back gate of his bungalow, which certainly added more drama to what was expected to happen today, where the Punjab police was expected to serve a notice and arrest him under the non-bailable section. This is certainly a political war which can be seen while Sandeep Pathak was also one of the key players of the Aam Aadmi Party in the state of Punjab. He was, in fact, treasurer of the party. So he knows the system of the Aam Aadmi Party where this kind of political vengeance was very much expected to happen against him. As we are telling, we are yet to get official confirmation from the Punjab police under which section, under which FIR Sandeep Pathak was supposed to be questioned by them, and probably looking at the kind of fight which was happening among the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, it was quite possible that Sandeep Pathak could have been arrested. So certainly, just a short while back, we can also play those visuals, Amita, where Sandeep Pathak can be seen leaving from the back gate. What is important that he was carrying a bag with him.
So please just stay on with us, Priyank. Shahzad Poonawalla of the BJP is also connected with us. Shahzad, what do you think could be possibly the case? What we are looking at 2 FIRs that amounts to almost non-bailable cases is something what we are told has been taken up against Sandeep Pathak.
जो कल तक थे आज्ञाकारी और संस्कारी आज बन गए भ्रष्टाचारी. मतलब कि दिस इज आप्स वेंडेटा प्रो मैक्स एंड केजरीवाल इज अ इमरजेंसी माइंडसेट डिक्टेटर. He has to divert attention from Bhagwant Man's intoxication in assembly yesterday, and to satisfy his vendetta needs, he has concocted up these cases. Because, Amita, if these cases were there from before, why the FIR was not filed before? So were they hiding and shielding corrupt people in their party? And clearly the case can't come up in 7-8 days. You know, Priyank covers these cases in very depth. So you ask Bhavtosh and Priyank, these cases take time to develop. So how come in the last 7 days this new corruption has happened? So clearly, Arvind Kejriwal is a emergency mindset dictator. He has withdrawn security of Harbhajan Singh also. They want to finish off these 7 MPs. These 7 MPs are now on the hit list of Kejriwal. Kejriwal is a megalomaniac, and instead of introspecting, he is unleashing the strong arm of the law in order to do vendetta against them. They should
right.
These people have a threat on their life also, courtesy Kejriwal.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP, thank you very much for joining in. Well, that seems to be the contention that the BJP has been saying, that this is a deliberate move on part of the Aam Aadmi Party government governing the state of Punjab. And in the meantime, let's get you another breaking update. What we are learning as far as these cases are concerned, where these two FIRs have been registered, the Punjab police seems to be on the move, and it is being said that they would be traveling to Delhi as well. So a team there of the Punjab police has been dispatched. These are the initial details that are now coming in of the Punjab police team set to be in Delhi. And Priyank, information on that front. Partal Singh Bajwa ji is also connected with us on the phone line. Bajwa ji, what would you say? Because it has now been said that Sandeep Pathak के खिलाफ जो पुरानी FIR, जो पुराने cases है, उनको निकाला जा रहा है. And Punjab police team is also in Delhi now.
ऐसा है, मैं तो पहले ही आपको बताता हूँ, ये दोनों पार्टीज जो हैं, बीजेपी और आप, ये एक कॉइन के दो पहलू हैं. एक हेड है और एक टेल है. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जैसे एजेंसीज का इस्तेमाल करती है अपने पॉलिटिकल राइवल्स के खिलाफ, ऐसे ही केजरीवाल करता है. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. दे हैव द विजिलेंस. द सेंटर हैज अ कपल ऑफ ईडी है, सीबीआई है, बहुत सारी और इनके पास एजेंसीज है. एजेंसीज की कमी है बस केजरीवाल के पास. दोनों ही गवर्नमेंट्स एक जैसी ही हैं. देखिए, जैसे संदीप पाठक को और ये दूसरा राघव चड्ढा को ये इसलिए अब न्यूट्रलाइज करना चाहते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव अ फीलिंग कि मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल वर्क वाज कंट्रोल्ड बाय मिस्टर पाठक एंड एमएलए पहले 3 साल जिनको टिकट्स मिली हैं सभी के साथ इन टच राघव चड्ढा थे. तो इनके राघव चड्ढा के खिलाफ भी करेंगे 2-4-5 दिन में. अगर नहीं हुई तो होगी. मेरा अंदाजा है कि अगर संदीप पाठक के खिलाफ FIR हुई है तो राघव चड्ढा के खिलाफ भी जरूर होगी अब तक. और अब इनको ये डर है कि अगली जो हमारा कू होगा, एमएलए तोड़े जाएंगे, वो संदीप पाठक और राघव चड्ढा के थ्रू ही
पहले भी देते हुए नजर आए थे. वॉरिंग साहब ने भी ये वार्निंग पहले दे दी थी कि हो सकता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के कुछ और लीडर्स इन टच हो बाकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के साथ. धन्यवाद आपका बाजवा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. सो दैट सीम्स टू बी ब्रेकिंग द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन दैट हैज आल्सो कम इन फ्रॉम संदीप पाठक हिमसेल्फ, एंड ही सीम्स टू बी नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दीज FIRs. Priyank, what is being said that the Punjab police team is already in Delhi. What are we now looking at could possibly happen?
Amita, this is the latest information which are getting is with respect of the statement which has come up through the sources of Sandeep Pathak. We exactly don't know that whether he has given some soundbite or not. This is what is being said from his behalf, that I'm not aware about any FIR, nor there has been any kind of police authorities who have informed me. I have served the nation for my entire life with honesty and integrity. The country is bigger than any of the parties. So this is a very subtle line which he has made against the Aam Aadmi Party leader and Arvind Kejriwal, where he has said that the country is bigger than any party. I will never betray it nor allow anyone else to do so. So this is an open challenge which has also come up from Sandeep Pathak's side. If any action is being initiated against someone like me, it only shows that how
let me interrupt you again, Priyank. Apologies. Bikram Singh Majidhia is also connected with us right now. Majidhia ji, what do you have to say? Sandeep Pathak ke against बताया जा रहा है 2 पुराने cases FIRs है and non-bailable sections that have now been invoked on part of the Punjab police.
I, in strong words, condemn this, and it's a clear-cut case of vendetta politics. Till Mr. Pathak was with Mr. Kejriwal and AAP, he was a hero, and now he is a zero just because he shifted loyalties. So if he did something wrong when he was with them, he was doing it with active collusion and with the active collusion of Bhagwant Mann and Kejriwal. So why aren't they being booked also? Just all this is just happening to settle scores with Pathak. That's about it. It's nothing more than that. And I clearly say nobody's above the law. But if he did something wrong then, how did he do it? Because that time there was active collusion with Mr. Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann, and they were the one who were implementing things because Bhagwant Mann runs Punjab. And we've already seen that whoever goes against them is booked. Whoever speaks up against them is booked. If any media person reports against them, is booked. So it's
So you're
nothing
calling
new
it as a
what's
clear
happening
case
in
of
Punjab.
political vendetta, Mr. Majeethia?
Yes, 100%.
All right. Thank you very much, sir, for your point of view as well. So we are, speaking to leaders coming in from the BJP. We are speaking to the leaders coming in from the Congress, from the Shiromani Akali Dal. And this seems to be, as Priyank has been sharing us information, of course, we are expected to get a little, clearer picture as to what these cases are and on what charges. What we are looking at, these sections pertaining to non-bailable sections have now been applied on part of the Punjab Police, a team that is also said to be in Delhi. But this is a case, as far as the BJP has been taking on the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that this is a case of political witch hunt, and this is happening against Sandeep Pathak, who has now recently joined the BJP. Priyank will reconnect back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.